Hello, I'm Lisa Clemo. I'm a partner at Churches. I'm head of the family team, chartered legal executive and resolution accredited specialist. I've been practicing for over 25 years now and have been with the firm for approximately 23. In relation to your separation, you could have a separation agreement, which is a contract setting out the agreed terms. You can have one of these whereby you just agreed to sell the family home, not yet ready to get divorced, but you want to set out how the proceeds are to be divided. So that's usually just got a specific purpose. If, however, you're getting divorced and you want to resolve all of your financial claims, ideally those claims are agreed and incorporated into what's called a consent order. This order is signed by you both. It's usually prepared by a legal representative and then it's filed with the court once your conditional order is made in your divorce. A prenuptial agreement is an agreement that is setting out what you are bringing to the marriage, so it's entered into prior to your marriage or your civil partnership. Again, it's like a contract setting out what your assets are and what you've agreed. A postnuptial agreement is something that's entered into once you are married and you usually want to set out, you just bought a property together, you're married, hopefully happily married, and you want to make it clear who has an interest in what asset. Well, the financial agreement, again, it depends on whether it's an agreement prior to marriage or civil partnership, and you would then include details of what you're bringing to the marriage. If it's an agreement following your separation, you would again set out very clearly what's intended with the family home, what's intended in respect of a division of a joint bank account, what is intended in relation to any future inheritance prospects, and whether you seek to have a clean break, which will be a dismissal of financial claims. For most parties, that's what they're aiming for, that once they separate, they want a document to ensure that they can move on with their lives and there are no financial claims against each other. So a clean break order in divorce or dissolution of civil partnership is what most parties are aiming for. Sadly, not everybody comes to an agreement, even with our best efforts, so it may well be that a court application needs to be made either in your divorce proceedings or as part of your dissolution of your civil partnership. With regards to court proceedings, it does come at a financial cost and it can be quite an experience for most parties that they find particularly stressful. At Church, we're happy to help you through the process. It can be a bit of a minefield if you're unrepresented, but there is a place for court proceedings when one party fails to disclose their assets, or you just simply can't reach an agreement without the district judge saying to you, this is what I think should happen in your case. Please go negotiate and see if you can come to an agreement. Family team at Churches are happy to help you should you need advice, whether it be with regards to a prenuptial agreement, a postnuptial agreement, a separation agreement, or even a consent order. These days, most parties are dealing with divorce on their own, but we're happy where you need us. We have a self-help scheme where we can step in and help you at various parts in the proceedings where perhaps you can't afford for us to do everything for you, or you may decide to fully instruct us to help you through the divorce, dissolution, and in respect to your financial claims.